Hey guys, Andy here. So I'm almost impressed, well, is it impressed or surprised that maybe you even clicked on this, because I feel like everyone's probably fed up and sick to the back teeth of hearing about AI. But for me, things that can improve audio quality, I want to check them out, I want to have a listen, I want to see what they can do. And Adobe have this, it's available to anybody, free audio enhancement service based on AI. So I thought I'd better check it out and see how good it is. So as I say, it's free for anyone to use. I'll try and put the link down below for you to give it a go if you want. But this video is just a quick video to have a look. I've grabbed just an old bit of audio from I think my Aeropex reviews, where I was cycling along, so there's a bit of wind noise. There's another one where I've stopped above, I was cycling, I specifically stopped to do some audio for this video, above kind of like a motorway when I was out cycling. And then finally we'll do just a bit of this footage, but we'll see if it makes any difference being run through the AI. So first of all, it's the one when I'm out cycling, cruising along, so there's quite a bit of wind noise. And let's see, I will play it twice, I suppose, once the sort of original and then with the AI adjusted audio. The only other sort of design change to note is the buttons moved slightly. So I feel like on the Aeropex it was slightly on the top of the bud. I mean, it's a little awkward pressing it because you'd rotate the bud a little bit. But I feel like you have to press, if I do that, it's not registering all my presses. The only other sort of design change to note is the buttons moved slightly. So I feel like on the Aeropex it was slightly on the top of the bud. I mean, it was a little awkward pressing it because you'd rotate the bud a little bit. But I feel like you have to press, if I do that, it's not registering all my presses. So there is a clear difference between the two. I'm not sure the whole AI aspect, isn't it just a bit like we've had previously where it tries to enhance the voice and it tries to suppress everything that's not the voice? There's some points where my voice sounds a bit weird, where it maybe is the AI trying to adjust it and put in things that things are missing or something like that, I don't know. There's a clear difference. I think it's better. Let's try the next bit where I'm stood above like a busy motorway. And again, I'll play the original, then I'll play the AI enhanced. So I thought this might be quite a good test. I'm out cycling. I stopped above busy dual carriageway, so I'm assuming there's quite a lot of background noise. This is being recorded on my Pixel 6 with the front-facing camera. Just to see how well it cuts my voice out from all the traffic noise going by underneath. Be interesting to see. So I thought this might be quite a good test. I'm out cycling. And I stepped above busy dual carriageway, so I'm assuming there's quite a lot of background noise. This is being recorded on my Pixel 6 with the front-facing camera. Just to see how well it cuts my voice out from all the traffic noise going by underneath. Be interesting to see. So again, I think it does a really good job of removing all the noise from the vehicles passing beneath me. It sounds like it does some slightly weird things with my voice. I'm not sure I entirely trust it, if that makes sense, but at the same time, it does sound better. It does remove all that extra background noise. So let's give it the final test. I'm going to record a quick clip now that will pass through the AI and see what it does with this. So now, just for a bit of audio, me in my room, there's probably a bit of reverb from what I can hear, even my own ears right now. So I'll play this through once without any post at all, even on Adobe's, well, both Adobe I suppose, but in Premiere Pro, I won't do anything in there. But then I'll play it through again, having passed it through the AI enhancement, just so we can hear if there's any difference. So now, just for a bit of audio, me in my room, there's probably a bit of reverb from what I can hear, even my own ears right now.
So I'll play this through once without any post at all, even, you know, on Adobe's, well, both Adobe, I suppose, but in Premiere Pro, I won't do anything in that. But then I'll play it through again, having passed it through the AI enhancement, just so we can hear if there's any difference.
So there's definitely some weird things going on with my voice. Yes, every now and then. Interestingly, so obviously I'm recording in a different room with a slightly different setup, and there is a bit of a buzz in the background, which I can take out in post for like this clip. But the clip that I just played that was the original, I didn't do anything. I left it literally as the original. And the AI enhancement does a very good job of removing all the buzz and the reverb. But I mean, Adobe can already do that in Premiere Pro, really. So the enhancement, it really does bring out the voice, but it also does some weird things with it. And I just don't think I would trust it. So I'm not sure. I don't know how useful it is at the minute. Maybe if you've got really bad audio, it can kind of pull it through and it can AI the voice to be, I don't know. Maybe you can change, if we could make it so I could change my voice to be like Darth Vader or something like that, you know, that'd be interesting use of AI. But yeah, at the moment, how useful is it? I don't know. I'm not sure. Not that much more than I've already got in Premiere Pro anyway, I don't think. But I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But for now, my name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon.